Hey everyone, my name is Olivia. I'm a creative and production assistant here at Caterpillar Cross Stitch. Today I thought I'd give you a little day in the life, a little behind the scenes of our production and creative officers, Jack and Jill. And yeah, show you sort of some of the behind the scenes, what we get up to, the layout of both offices, and I might try and get a few people to have a little chat with us. Okay, let's go inside. The entrance to Jack. In here. Hello. This is Natasha, our customer service lead.
Hello.
And this is Tim's office area, but he's currently in a meeting. But yeah, it's a cute little room. I'll leave you to it. I'm just doing a day in the life. So this is our fabric corner. Very satisfying. And this is our fabric table, boxes and boxes. And our production assistant is currently cutting fabric for our next sow. Look at that. Look at that. Very nice, very nice. Okay, this is our fulfillment area. Aaron is currently in the bag. I particularly like this little section here. This is all your nudge hoops. Very satisfying. We call this the shop. And this is where we keep all our packed needle minders. I don't know why I'm doing this with my hand. Yeah. What are you currently working on, Aaron?
Currently packing all the sub boxes to come out to all you lovely customers.
Lovely, lovely. Oh, you can see our DMC colours in the background there. Very nice. Just thought I'd show you guys our sub box storage. Okay, heading into Sally's office.
Hello.
Hello, Sally. Just doing a little daily
Hi.
vlog. This is
Hello,
Sally, our
everybody.
creative director.
Hi guys, welcome to my office. We are in Jill. We've got Jack and Jill. Cold, drizzly day today.
Yeah, it's a little bit dodgy out there today. Having fun? What are you up to today?
Yes, having fun. Lots on the go. I'm going on holiday soon, so trying to finalise some bits and pieces.
Nice.
I am finishing off Bejeweled from our Taylor Swift book.
Yeah, this looks nice.
On our favourite navy Ada fabric. Lots on my million things on my to-do list. 3 YouTube videos on the go.
Nice.
More Taylor Swift stuff.
Yeah, how's that coming along, the Taylor Swift?
Very well, very well.
Nice.
We've got our needle minder and project bag and 6 designs in the first ebook.
Very exciting.
Yeah, I'm just finishing off. So why can't you see you belong with me?
Nice.
And what else am I doing? Advent calendar stuff.
Yeah.
Retreat work.
Lots on the go then, lots on the go.
Yeah. Sub box 18, sub box 19. Planning out boxes up to box 25, would you believe, for next year. So yeah, lots on the go, and it's nearly time to go and get the kids.
Love it.
Very short days. But yeah, all good.
Nice. Well, thanks for letting me vlog you.
No worries.
Hey guys, I've given over the camera to Sally to show us around the office, giving you a little sneak preview.
So this is favourite press pieces from Daily Mail, and got a little mirror there so we can check our hair. Hi!
Hey.
When we're doing YouTube. One of my favourite prints, which has travelled around with me, by Laura G, which has come from every office, I think.
That's really nice.
Nothing secretive on there. Updating employee handbook. What else have we got over here? This is my little tripod, bendy tripod we use for all sorts of things. This is the dream box. These are the things, these are, oh, where's my finger? These are actually drying racks for plates that we use to display our stitch samples in. Here's our dream box. This office. Oh, Tim's just walked in. He knew we were going to be doing a day in the life.
That's it.
Say hello.
We've got, yeah, dream box. This was really big, this office, or it felt big when we first moved in. But actually, once everything, got this, it's moved around with me a million times. Once you've got everything in, thank you for demonstrating, it's actually, it feels a lot smaller.
Yeah.
But we've still got plenty of room.
Yeah.
So yeah, we do all our photography, videography. This table moves down. I tend to sit there, don't I, when I'm filming.
Yeah.
We've got 6 different lights. What else? All our ribbons. We organise our ribbons and props depending on spring, Christmas, summer or Halloween.
For each component.
Yeah, labels that you did with Maria, didn't you?
Yeah.
You were doing the sticking,
Yes,
weren't you?
I
Which
was
had
doing
to
the sticking.
pick it out from all the little...
Very intricate and
cricket.
very delicate. Yeah.
Did you have a little scooper or
I had
something?
this little pick
That was it.
Come out of, but,
It was really
yeah, it's quite
tricky.
tricky.
Yeah, lots of props and things that we sort of put in for photos. This is our other camera, my big boy, and packaging shots for new releases. Photography guidelines, and then we have all of our shots up here listed, so we know what we're doing for shots for new products. Sorry, I'm just taking over the entire vlog. I'm taking over the vlog. Hi.
Hi again.
How's everything? Well,
All good. I've just come to bring over a sample, which obviously can't show on
oh, you
camera.
can.
Can we?
You can.
Preview guys.
Okay.
There's also I think a caterpillar costume in here.
A costume? It's almost like we planned that. Let's have a look. You should have walked in wearing the costume.
It looks a bit like.
Oh, this is from Sophie. Different Sophie. This is from Sophie, who used to make some TikTok content for us. Molly's like,
I've never seen that.
is this horrified or excited?
I think I'm a bit
'Cause
too
we
tall
could-
for it, but Olivia, if you want to come try it out.
This is what Sophie, yeah.
It's like a
Sophie used to wear this for TikToks.
Right,
top and bottom.
let's put this on. Oh, so it's
might
not
have
got a...
I think you meant to step.
Oh my...
You can't walk with it.
It's like a tent.
Guys, what am I doing?
Help it. We don't want an accident now on camera.
Okay. This is a fun...
Are there holes for the feet? Yeah, there are holes. Tim, look.
The feet.
Yeah, there's holes to put your feet through. Because otherwise you just have to hop around. This is hilarious.
It's quite
Help her,
tight.
Tim. Why is that? Why is it so small?
Yeah, I'm just going to put one.
Just put one through. It's a one-legged. That is hilarious.
Like, this is... Oh,
There are armholes.
things I do at work, guys.
I was going to say, what have you done today? Dressed up as Caterpillar?
They're quite
Is there anything else? I know, is it for a child? It blows up.
Got a pump so it blows up this one.
It's an inflatable. It's an inflatable.
Okay. Well, it was fun while it lasted.
Put it. Does it go on your head?
I think... Is it meant for kids?
No, it's an adult. Why is it too small?
It's quite small.
There's a hang on. There's a hole. No, there's a hole. There's a hole. Oh, perfect. Did you bring that over on purpose because you knew? Oh, thanks, Liv.
That's alright.
This is Harry, who's been with us from the start. All too well. The cross-stitch version.
I think this is my favourite.
Design 2. I think that might be my favourite
Yeah,
actually.
I
Design number 2 from Stitching Swiftly. Look at that gorgeous linen.
Hey guys, I'm just heading out of Jill and following you all. Still a little bit overcast, but I thought I'd show you the field while I'm here. I showed it you earlier with Sally, but I'm thinking it's slightly brighter now, so I'll show you the view from our office, Jill. Say hello. just saying hello to the people on the site. I love the trees over here, they're so nice. This little woodland area over here. And little sheep. And just fields after fields after fields. Okay, I'm just heading out to the cafe around the corner. They have some amazing cakes. So I'm gonna see if they've got some good. These are our caterpillar cross stitch personalised mugs. Very cute. I've just been gluing some of our needle milers today, and I'll come and show you those in a second. I think for Amazon orders, butterflies, bumblebees, all sorts of designs, and I'll show you those in a second. So I've just finished gluing a table full of needle minders. I'm going to show you what they all look like now. Hey everyone, I just thought I'd sit down and chat to you all about the new things here at CCS. If you haven't already, please subscribe and like this video and comment below what other kinds of videos you'd like to see from us. That will help us give a sort of an insight into what videos we can make in the future. This will help us create more content on our channel for you guys to enjoy and learn how to cross stitch. In other cross-stitch news, we have a lot of exciting new products and releases and lots of offers for all our loyal customers to enjoy right now, so head over to the Caterpillar Cross Stitch website and check it out. If you head on over to our website at www.caterpillarcrossstitch.com, scroll down, you'll find the brand new 2024 advent calendar. Click to purchase now and this will be secured and shipped from September onwards, ready for December the 1st, 2024. Honestly, it is so exciting. Lots and lots of goodies in this year's advent calendar. I'm so excited for all the new designs, all the treats, lots of cross-stitch patterns, needle minders, fabrics, floss. You can also find our brand new cross-stitch stitch along, which is called Enchanted Rounds, and honestly it's like my favourite cross-stitch so far. I'm a big lover of fantasy and all things enchanted, so head on over and check that out. It is a 6-part mystery cross-stitch along. If you haven't joined already, you can join partway through, that's absolutely fine. There's nothing to worry about there. We will email over all the previous patterns, and there's honestly no pressure to keep up. We encourage, you guys to cross-stitch whenever you like, in your own time, and yeah, just enjoy the process. So here on our website you can join the Caterpillar Club with our bi-monthly subscription box and receive a new box every 2 months. If you guys like those sort of colours, I would check it out because honestly it's so cute. Okay, so that's Jill just there. Look, the sun's out. Sun's out. Hey guys, I'm just about to head out, but I just wanted to say thanks for watching this video and coming behind the scenes of my day in the life here at Caterpillar Cross Stitch HQ. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed the little sneak previews I've given you today. Yeah, thanks for watching. See you again soon. Bye!